It's when we come to actually cleaning out the shed or the pens, we need to come up with our cleaning protocols. So first things first, knowing your pathogen, you know what you're up against, what you're trying to kill. Make sure you're using the right product. Try to work with the materials, like we were saying, that are less likely to form biofilms and harbour bugs. Things like the stainless steel, the plastics. Then we want to remove all the bedding, all the organic matter, rinse off any manure, and apply detergent, a foam, ideally. If you need to get rid of some biofilm, which is bacteria that's becoming trapped in slime, using a brush or a sponge, there is occasionally some elbow grease needed, but it's really important to get rid of those biofilms. Rinse off that detergent, and then apply the correct choice of disinfectant at the right dilution rate for the right length of time. Leave that to air dry. And then the last point there, I know, which is something that comes up, especially with units that are under time pressure to get restocked, but taking the time to actually review the results. I don't know if it's just me or you guys as well, but if you clean your car on a wet day, it looks absolutely sparkling out there, and then a couple of hours later, when it's all dried off, you look out and you think, oh, I've missed that bit. And it's the same thing. So leave it to air dry, and then just review the results. If you need to go over an area again, it is worth that time.